Mom, I never thought your car would be off-road and be able to go this kind of stuff, eh? Woohoo! Woohoo! She's the girl of my dreams, I gotta tell you. Am I lucky or what? Split it, boys. Look at that. Look at that, eh?
I did all that.
Look at all of the wood that Nora chopped. She's got it. She's got it.